Hi, my name's Joanne and I'm an educator here at COSI. Today I want to talk to you guys about different ways that we can keep ourselves healthy. Now, there's a lot of different things we can do, like having a nutritious diet, drinking lots of water, and sleeping well at night. But there's also some other things we can do to keep ourselves healthy. One of those ways is to exercise. Now, in order to know that you've gotten a good workout in or some quality exercise, there's a thing we can do called testing our heart rate. Now, there are two different ways for us to test our heart rate. We can use our wrist or we can use our neck. So for us to use our neck, we can place two fingers along the side of our neck just like this, feeling around for that pulsing feeling. Now that's that blood pumping from our heart. Now we can also use our wrist, and it's going to be close to your thumb. You can also feel that pressure. Now, what we're going to do first is we're going to test our resting heart rate. So when you're seated down on the couch or at the kitchen table and you're not actively moving around, that's when you're going to find that resting heart rate. So right now I'm just standing here. I'm not doing any exercise. So the best way to do that, I'm going to put two fingers on my neck. I'm going to look at my watch and I'm going to set a timer for 10 seconds. Now I'm going to count every time my heart pumps or you feel that pressure on your neck, every time in that 10-second range. So everybody go ahead and find your pulse and we're gonna get started. And we're gonna start now. Fantastic. Once you count how many times your heart beats in that 10 seconds, we're going to times that number by 6, and that's going to give us our resting heart rate. Now, sometimes if you have a watch that has your heart rate on it, it's going to tell you what it is. But if you don't, you can use that mathematical equation of counting for 10 seconds and then timesing that number by 6. Right now, my resting heart rate is at 74 beats per minute. Now, that number is going to go drastically up when we test our active heart rate. So I'm going to ask my friends at home if you guys will do 1 minute of your favorite activity, so maybe jumping jacks or some push-ups, and then we're going to test our active heart rate after we do that. I'm going to do some jumping jacks, so I'll see you guys in 1 minute. Wow, that was a lot of exercise for 1 minute, but I think we're ready to test that active heart rate. So once again, go ahead, touch your neck. We're gonna use the timer for 10 seconds and see how many times it beats in 10 seconds. Ready? All right, our 10 seconds is up. Now you'll take that number once again and times it by 6 to get your active heart rate. Right now, mine's at 156 beats per minute. My heart rate has gone up exponentially, telling me that my body is doing work right now. You guys can use this all the time. You can go outside or you can exercise inside. As long as you're getting your body moving for about 60 minutes a day, you guys can live a very healthy life.